Students, welcome to another Mr. Ness screencast. Today's aim is multilingual states, and here are your objectives. Please pause the video, look these questions over, and get ready to copy some vocab and take some notes. A monolingual state is a country where almost everyone speaks the same language. Earlier in this unit, you learned about nation states. Those are countries where almost everyone shares the same culture and history. Monolingual states are usually nation states as well, because language is an important part of culture. So if everyone speaks the same language, they are probably the same ethnicity too. Denmark, Japan, and Iceland are examples of nation states, and they are also monolingual states. In contrast, multilingual states are countries where more than one language is widely spoken. These are the same as multi-ethnic states, but in some multi-ethnic states, language is more or less of a marker of identity between different ethnicities than it is in other ones. For example, Yugoslavia was a multi-ethnic state, but most people spoke the same language. So language was a less important marker of identity there than, say, religion was. But in other multi-ethnic countries, language is more of a marker of identity. And these are the multilingual countries that you will learn about in class. Some of them include Canada, Iraq, and Spain. In all of these countries, language has taken on an important role as a marker of national identity. Multilingual states often have conflict over the question of which language will be designated the official language. And the official language is the one that is used by the government, taught in public schools, or given a special legal status. Even in multilingual states where people have freedom to speak their own language, the government usually chooses just one or two to be the official language. And it is this decision that causes friction, because the groups whose language is not chosen as the official language may feel left out. A frequent site of conflict over language is toponyms, the names of places. And that's because toponyms must be officially designated by the government for the purposes of maps, street signs, or addresses. Some countries, like Canada, have attempted to diffuse conflict over language by designating more than one official language. These stop signs in Quebec feature English plus another language depending on the region. The first shows French, and the second shows Inuktitut, a Native American language. Even so, people may see the designation of other languages as an insult to their own. In this picture, signs in Belgium show toponyms in two official languages, French and Flemish. But an angry French speaker has graffitied over the Flemish names. In class, you will look at several different multilingual states where language and the designation of an official language creates different degrees of conflict between ethnicities. Now it's time to review the objectives, and if you don't know the answer to any of them, rewind the video and look again. I will see you in class. Bye, students.